This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Kim Shipman. Well-maintained split foyer 3-bedroom, 2-bath on 0.51 acreage. Living room and dining room have an open floor plan, cathedral ceiling. Masterbedrom with a master bath. Freshly painted. Finished family room and basement, plus an extra room and laundry room. Family room could be used for an office, a 4th bedroom or any other use. Basement has a rough-in for a bathroom. Softener. 2-car garage with plenty of space for a workshop or storage. Large back deck with storage space underneath it. Large fenced-in backyard with some mature trees. Lot is a premium lot. Home is located on a cul-de-sac. Heat pump has a part warranty until June 19, 24. Close to P&G, I-81, RT11, RT9 for your commute, shopping and dining.